Morning, children. Today we will read Meenu and Dino. You can see here. But before starting this lesson, I want to ask you something. Let's see a question. Have you ever visited a museum? Definitely yes. I think all of you have visited a museum. You have to write 5 things here. Which 5 things you have seen? Remember, children? Paintings, then statues, then tools, weapons, coins. I think all of you have seen these things. Okay, let's start the lesson now. First of all, I will read this lesson, then tell you the story. Meenu, a 10-year-old girl, goes to see a museum. There are many strange things in the museum. Many things are kept in the glass boxes with labels. Meenu read the labels one by one. As she is moving around, she sees a dinosaur on a table. She goes near the table and admires the big animal. It had a huge body, long neck, and twinkling eyes. Meenu finds its eyes very attractive. Suddenly, the dinosaur starts speaking. Think about it, children. What will happen if any animal become alive in the museum? Dino says, "Hello Meenu, I am Dino, the dinosaur. How are you?" Meenu cannot believe her ears. She feels very scared and then tries to run away, but Dino calls her back. Dino says that don't be afraid of me, I'm your friend. Don't you want to talk to me? Meenu comes near the dinosaur hesitatingly. Dino again says that I love children. They are very nice. They do not harm anyone. Meenu, but I have heard you harm others. That's why you are kept here and don't allowed to roam about. Roam means move, visited anywhere. Dino, no Meenu, when we lived on the earth, we didn't harm anyone. We just wanted to live peacefully like other animals. Meenu says, then why are you kept here? Where are your mama and papa and friends? Where are they? Meenu asks from dinosaur that where are your mama, papa and friends? Why are you kept here? Children, as you know that dinosaurs are not in this earth now. They are extinct animal. Dino says we used to live on the earth thousands of years ago. But many atmospheric changes pushed our species to extinction, which means none of my family or species is found on this planet anymore. Meenu says, oh, that is so sad. Couldn't we, the humans, do anything to save you? Dino, no. Meenu, we disappeared from the earth long before humans arrived. But you can save many other species from extinction. Meenu, really? How? Dino, let me explain it to you. You see, man and other animals share this beautiful earth. They have been doing so for a long time. Once there was enough of everything, enough of food, water, enough forest cover and grassy plants, but slowly the number of people grew, their needs too grew, so they started cutting trees and killing animals. Today there is very little space left for some animals. And children, you know that many animals are endangered and they are going to be extinct very soon. So we have to save animal. Dinosaur is saying that. The bird dodo has already disappeared from the earth. Many more species of animals are endangered and may also disappear in a few years. Pandas, gorillas, grizzly bears, elephants, tigers, and copper butterfly are all endangered animals. Endangered animals are those children who are going to be extinct very soon, who are very less in number, who are in danger. Meenu says that's really sad. What can we do to save those animals? Dino suggests man must stop cutting forest and killing animals. Meenu, but why do we kill animals? Meenu is a little girl and she wanted to know that why do we kill animals? Dino, to get leather, oil, medicines, or maybe just for fun. Meenu, that's a pity. I'll tell all my friends not to harm animals. Otherwise, there will be more animals in museums than in forests. Then Meenu says at last that I will suggest my all friend not to harm animals. Okay, children? This is the story of Meenu and Dino. Dino suggests many things that man must stop cutting forest and killing animals. Then only very less endangered animals are in the earth. Otherwise, our animals will be extinct very soon. So we should get these things in our mind and should not cut forest and should not kill animals. And one more thing, to get leather, oil, medicines, or maybe many times just for fun we are killing animals, that is bad. We should not do. Hope you understand this lesson. Now let's do fill in the blanks. Complete the following statements using words from the box. Meenu went to a museum. She saw a dash in the museum. Dinosaur in the museum. Animals who are in danger of becoming extinct are known as endangered animals. Animals that have disappeared from the earth are known as dash animals, extinct animals. Animals that have disappeared from the earth are known as extinct animals. Dash and dash are examples of extinct animals. We can see here in the help box dodo and dinosaur. Dodo and dinosaur are examples of extinct animals, and tiger and elephant are two endangered animals. Okay children, now in the next video we will do question answers and many more exercises. Hope you like this video. Share my video with your friends, subscribe it and like and comment on it. Okay, thank you children.